with this? Okay, let's go outside and show you kind of what you need to be able to do, be prepared for, and know what you're getting into living in Vermont. Let's go. But the fall foliage is beautiful. So you want to live in Vermont? Okay, this is what you're going to expect during the winter. I know fall foliage is beautiful and quiet, living, peaceful, remote, all that fun stuff, but then you got to deal with all this crap. So let's go take a walk and show you. Oh, by the way, it's only been snowing for about an hour, I would say, and we're up to probably 4 inches already. So we're kind of in the beginning of a good storm. So let's go take a walk so you can see what living in Vermont is really like. So you got to be prepared for this. You have to clean your cars off, and it's not just snow. Look at ice caked on. You want to make sure you clean that off totally. You can get ticketed for failure to clean your vehicle off. Snow blows, ice can come off, damage another car. It's another one of the joys of living in Vermont. We do have a low crime rate. life. And you won't need to go to the gym because shoveling snow is one hell of a workout. So hopefully you're in good shape. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Living in Vermont, get used to having a runny nose when you're outside in the winter. It's really cold. If you have facial hair, your runny nose will freeze to your hair. So, snot sickles. They're known as. So I've been out here doing some shoveling, just trying to stay ahead of this storm a little bit. But inevitably what will happen is you will get your driveway clean and ready to go, and then a plow truck will come by, like this one that's right here. It's going to be coming by here in just a minute. There's the plow truck completely burying everything we cleaned. Living in Vermont is wonderful.